In this video, you'll learn how to obtain your invoice on Wecasa. By the end of this guide, you will know the steps to access and download your invoice effectively. Start by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL wecasa.co.uk in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Wecasa homepage. Once the page loads, you will see the main features and options available on the site. Next, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button to access the login page. If prompted, enter your registered email address and password in the respective fields. After filling in your credentials, click the login button to proceed to your customer. If your login is successful, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Once you are in your customer area, look for the section labeled Past Bookings and Invoices. This section is usually displayed in a clear manner on the dashboard. Click on this link to view your previous bookings along with the associated invoices. After you enter the Past Bookings and Invoices section, you will see a list of your past sessions along with the corresponding invoices. Keep in mind that invoices are typically available the day after your session, starting from around 5 p.m. If your session occurred recently, you may need to check back later if the invoice is not yet visible. To download your invoice, identify the specific session for which you need the invoice. Next to the session details, there should be a download icon or a link labeled Download Invoice. Click on this option and the invoice will begin downloading to your device. Depending on your browser settings, you may need to specify a download location, or it may automatically save to your default downloads folder. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.